2015 Silverado crew cab in the shop right now. The customer wants me to do an Nfamus air suspension on it. It's going to put a 3-link in the rear, and it's also going to change out the front control arms and bag mounts and stuff in the front. And it's going to be a lot of work. Got to do a pretty good amount of custom metal work and stuff to go along with it. It should be a fun project. I'm going to try to film a lot of it. I may not get all of it. I may do some updates here and there. I probably won't do so much how-to, but I'll explain why I did what I did in a lot of cases. I took a little video of the truck. I've already got the bed off. I'm also going to do a roll pan and some other stuff and do a paint job on it. It is going to be kind of a teardown day since I've already got the bed off. I'm going to go ahead and pull all the front cap off. The truck's on 26s, so there's going to have to be some tub work done. It's already had some done because it had a pretty low static drop on it. But got to pull the fenders off and start tearing the front suspension off of it. got all the front suspension unbolted off of the Silverado, the crew cab Silverado, and now I'm about to start cutting all the stock suspension mounts off so that I can install all the infamous metalwork control arms and control arm mounts and brackets. Alright, so mocking up the suspension, I've got the plate for the upper control arm mounts tacked in place, and this ear right here, I have to trim it back for clearance with the control arm, as well as clearance this one, so that the control arm will have enough travel. Okay, what I'm looking for is the clearance here and there with the control arm coming all the way up.